In today's video, I'm going to show you how beautiful your hair looks after you take out your cornrows. What I usually do is, when I cornrow my hair, I allow it to last for about 5 to 6 days before taking it out. When removing my cornrows, I try to limit breakage in my hair by using my fingers to open the edge of my hair with care. Because if you don't take your time to do that, you will notice that your hair will become tied up, or knots made from your cornrow will cause your hair to break. So it is important to take your time as you remove your cornrow. As far as I'm through with taking out my cornrows, I usually use one of the pattern doll rows of my hair, where I use my rat tail pin comb to shine the row. So this is what my hair looks like after I remove my cornrows. Isn't it beautiful? It's definitely beautiful. So I make use of the curls made from my cornrows every time I remove them. Sometimes I spray it, fix my edges, and use it for about 1 or 2 days before combing it up. These are a few pictures of my hair after I remove my cornrows. So you can see that they are all beautiful. And please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much and have a blessed day. Bye.